Hello friends, welcome back to Rise in Mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this exercise question from book Contemporary Abstract Algebra by Gallian. Question is, if a1, a2 up to an belong to a group, what is the inverse of product of a1, a2 up to an? So, here we have given these n elements in group G and we need to find the inverse of product of these n elements in group G. Now observe that this result is the generalization of Sokshue property in group. So to find the solution of this given question or to prove this given result, firstly we need to recall Sokshue property in group. So we will start our solution. Thus Sokshue property in group G is, for any two elements say B in group G, we have A dot B inverse is equal to B inverse dot A inverse, where this dot is the binary operation in group. Now we are going to prove that A1, A2 up to An, that is product of these n elements in group, and its inverse will be product of inverses of these n elements in this order, that is a1, a2 up to an, its inverse is equal to an inverse, an minus 1 inverse up to so on a2 inverse and a1 inverse, and we will prove this using mathematical induction. Now in the base step, clearly we have a1, a2, its inverse will be a2 inverse dot a1 inverse. This thing follows through Sokshue property in group. Now in the inductive step, we are going to assume that let the result is true for some natural number say k, that is a1, a2 up to so on ak, its inverse will be ak inverse, ak minus 1 inverse up to so on a2 inverse and a1 inverse. Now for some natural number k plus 1, we have a1, a2 up to so on ak minus 1, ak plus 1, its inverse. This can be written as b dot ak plus 1, its inverse, where this b is the product of first k elements in group, that is b equals to a1, a2 up to so on ak minus 1 and ak. Now again we can apply Sokshue property here, so this can be written as ak plus 1 inverse b inverse. Now in the next step, we will replace this b by its product. So we get ak plus 1 inverse equals to a1, a2, ak minus 1, ak, its inverse. Now we have assumed that the result is true for the natural number k, so this can be written as ak plus 1 inverse as it is, and we will write it as ak inverse up to so on a2 inverse and a1 inverse. So here we can observe that when the result is true for some natural number k, it is also true for the natural number k plus 1, and thus by the principle of mathematical induction, the result will be true for all natural number n, and therefore we have a1, a2 up to so on an minus 1 an, its inverse is equal to an inverse, an minus 1 inverse up to so on a2 inverse and a1 inverse, and this completes our solution.